Hey guys, I'm back and I'm talking about wind insurance. Some homeowners who live in states that are prone to hurricanes like Texas may have wind storm damage partially or completely excluded in the homeowner's policy. And I had spoken about this before. If you're within 50 miles of the coast, chances are maybe not chances are, but you have to get your insurance through Texas Windstorm Insurance Association. We call it TWIA. Homeowners insurance won't cover it. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. The state provides it in the case that you can't get it anywhere else. Also, you could get it through your state's FAIR Plan. In our case, it's Texas FAIR Plan, and it is a quasi-government agency. It's the insurance of last resort. But a lot of times you just have to check and make sure that you can get that coverage. If you have a mortgage, they're going to require it. If you don't have a mortgage, you should have it anyway. In some cases, you may have to pay a hurricane deductible. In Texas, we will have it's usually called a named storm. It's not called a hurricane, it's called a named storm. So if we just have a freak, windstorm, hailstorm happen and it's not named, then it's got a certain deductible. And then sometimes it's like a regular deductible is 1%, and then a named storm might be 2 or 5% or 3%. It really just depends. You need to check with your agent. So if you can't read your declarations page, see what you paid for. It's just something you really need to know. The deductible is based on your coverage A dwelling. So if my house was insured for $400,000 and it's 1%, that's $4,000 right there. If it's 2%, it's $8,000. If it's 3%, it's $12,000. But it's always based on coverage A. So check with your agent. Sometimes you can pay a little bit more to get a lower deductible on certain things, and sometimes it's not optional. Anyway, I hope that answered your questions. Stay safe and be prepared.